Okay, everybody, today we're going to talk about patterns and sequences. So much fun. Am I right? Am I right? Let's jump into it. We'll find out. Okay, this very crudely drawn chart here shows us different months and the different number of Blu-rays that Mr. Quick bought in each month. All right? This is what we're going to call an arithmetic sequence. Okay, a sequence is an ordered set of numbers. Each number in the sequence is called a term. Okay, in this sequence, the first term is 3, because in the first month I bought 3 Blu-rays. Okay, the second term is 6. I bought it in the second month. See, first month, 3 Blu-rays. Second month, 6 Blu-rays. In the third month, my next term is 9. Okay, so this one's pretty easy. It's supposed to be pretty easy. Okay, we're getting a little bit of an introduction. All right, how many Blu-rays do you think I bought in the fourth month? Okay, well, let's look. I bought 3. Then I went up to 6. So that could either be times 2, right? 3 times 2 is 6, or it could be plus 3. All right, we're not sure yet. We only have these 2 numbers to go on. When we move to the third term, though, we go from 3 to 6 to 9. Now, can that be times 2? 3 times 2 is 6, but 6 times 2 is not 9. So I've got to eliminate times 2 as a possibility. Is 6 plus 3 9? Of course it is. Okay, so now we figured out that our pattern is plus 3. Okay, so we go from 9 plus 3, and we know that our fourth term here is going to be 12. All right, let's keep going. If I gave you these numbers, the numbers in this pattern, 3, 15, 27, 39, and then I give you blank A and blank B, could you figure out what blank A and blank B are? Well, let's see. I see, and the first thing I notice is that the numbers get larger every time. Okay, so I'm looking at either multiplication or addition. When you divide or subtract, the numbers, of course, get smaller. That's not happening here. We're looking at addition or multiplication. To go from 3 to 15, I could multiply by 5, or I could add by 12. Okay, it's either times 5 or plus 12. All right. When I look at when I go from the second term to the third term, 15 to 27, I know 15 times 5 is not 27. 15 plus 12, however, is 27. Okay, and we can test that or check that one more time. 27 plus 12 is 39. Okay, so we know from 39 to our first blank A, is going to be plus 12. Okay, 39 plus 12 gives us 51. Okay, and I know that from 51, which is our answer for blank A, to blank B, also going to be plus 12, because this is an arithmetic sequence. It's adding or multiplying, or it's adding by the same number each time. Okay, so 51 plus 12 gives us 63. We're good to go. We have our answers. A is 51, B is 63. Let's keep going. Okay. This is what we call a non-arithmetic sequence. It's not just adding by the same number each time. And I know that because from 4 to 15, the number gets larger. From 15 to 8, the number gets smaller. Okay? If I look here, 4 to 15, the only way I can get there is plus 11. Okay? Nothing times 4 is going to give you 15, at least no whole number that I know of anyway. All right? But then I look from 15 to 8, and that's obviously not plus 11. Okay? To go from 15 to 8, I can't divide 15 and get to 8. Okay? There's not with any whole numbers. So that has to be subtraction. 15 minus 8, 15 minus 7 gives us 8. So it looks like our pattern might be plus 11, then minus 7. Let's see if that holds up. If that is true, 8 plus 11 will give us 19, and it does. Okay, so far we have plus 11, minus 7. Plus 11, and if we take 19 minus 7, we end up with 12. So we've got an obvious pattern now. Plus 11, minus 7. Plus 11 minus 7. So now 12 plus 11 would give us our first blank, blank A, 33. Okay, so blank A is 33. I just added 11, so now I've got to take away 7 from 33 to get blank B. 33 minus 7 gives us 26. Okay, that is a non-arithmetic sequence. The pattern in this case is plus 11 minus 7. It could also be times 3, times 3, times 3, not adding, but using something else. It could be plus 5 minus 1. It could be plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. It could get larger every time. Okay, there's a lot of things we could do. All right, I'm going to give you this last problem. Again, a little bit crudely drawn, but you get the idea. First number is 1, 6, 2, 12, blank A, 24, 8, blank B, 16. Those are the numbers. I would like you to bring tomorrow the answer for what number goes in blank A, what number goes in blank B. Show me your work. And I'm giving you a little bit of a hint here. I'm being Mr. Nice Guy today, okay? The hint is think multiplication and division, because it doesn't always have to be adding and subtraction. Okay, bring that tomorrow. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. I'll see you then.